Suddenly everybody knows that, you know, I've done Rang De Basanti and that's my debut. 1500 rupees mile. The GOAT senior of all time is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
He's from our theatre group. I called him up. I said, "Ki, I'm in Bombay now and, you know, finally now can I work with you and all that." He said, "Let's start a company." From Bombay, we had Casting Bay. Casting Bay शुरू करते ही मुझे बहुत सारे acting offers आने लगे, which was very surprising. Compounder for me was not an iconic part.
Really?
Compounder for me was just
How do influencers play a role now?
कि तुम कैमरा के सामने होस्ट करते हो तो तुम एक्टर बन सकते हो, तुम कैमरा के सामने 2 मिनट का रील बना सकते हो तो तुम एक्टिंग कर सकते हो. It's not that black and white.
Lots of YouTubers have a lot of following, which is very loyal. लोग पिक्चर
But
देखने
then
जाएंगे.
why don't you see them in movies?
Bhuvan Bam,
It's a show.
Prajakta Kohli.
Yeah, she did a character in a film. Until and unless you are Shah Rukh Khan, who also
Was in
theatre, and that man also had to do theatre and then come.
Yeah.
वो खुद ही बोलते हैं. So yes, influencers can be actors, but स्त्री पहले आ गई मेरी. 2 महीने बाद मिर्जापुर रिलीज होता है and it goes viral.
Yeah, of course.
And then Stree was going viral. So I suddenly was an actor.
Let's talk about casting.
What I think will make an actor a good actor, an excellent actor, is when they can. है नेपोटिज्म तो होगा ना. मेरे बारे में बोलते हैं तो खुद का नेपोटिज्म करता है. शाहरुख खान इज द बिगेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ एन आउटसाइडर. हाँ, नेपोटिज्म का ये एक फायदा ये होता है कि आपने चाहे 10 फिल्में की हो या 1 फिल्म की हो, आपकी हमेशा वैनिटी वैन बड़ी अच्छी आएगी. ठीक है. और आउटसाइडर्स को थोड़ा अपना फाइट करना पड़ता है वैनिटी वैन्स के लिए.
Yeah.
जहाँ पे ये बोल देते हैं कि अरे ये क्यों मांग रहा है या वो क्यों मांग रही है, ये सब भी प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाता है, विच आई फील इज कम्प्लीटली अनफेयर.
You have said कि धर्मा के दरवाजे अब हमारे लिए बंद हो चुके हैं.
मैं तो धर्मा का मुंह से नाम ही नहीं लूंगा. मैं ना करण जौहर सर का नाम लूंगा. मैं
Do you think the casting couch, which is the very famous lingo, still exists in the industry?
Of course it exists, and because I think
Abhishek, welcome to Humans of Bombay. Thank you for doing this and very excited to see you here.
yeah, thank you for having me here.
Everybody was most excited outside.
Yeah, I met them. What a wonderful team you have. by the way.
Thank you.
Really, really nice and sweet. Suddenly, पता नहीं, मतलब usually that doesn't happen to every office, but when I entered, I saw myself working here.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
definitely. So that was
Okay,
that
big
was
compliment.
yeah, seriously. In my 20s ऐसे ऑफिस की जरूरत थी, होते नहीं थे तब, तो हमने खुद क्रिएट किया. But yeah.
And congratulations on Stree 2. All kinds of amazing things. I told you offline ki my sister went, and when I told her that I'm interviewing her, she's like, I died laughing. It was just too funny.
Thank you. But you have to watch it. I don't know why haven't you.
I will. So
and you were telling me offline that you have also not watched 3-1. So you know I'm taking a note of that. So we need your money.
yeah,
in
okay. So
theatres.
ठीक है. I'll go this weekend. I will watch Stree 2,
Yes,
and then I will
please.
tell you how it was
Yes,
and
please.
all of that.
Yes,
But huge congratulations,
Thank
and
you.
even Veda that we were talking
Yes.
about offline. So how are you feeling?
Great. I
Yeah.
think I'm feeling like I'm a part of Bombay.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good
Because
feeling.
I mean I think that's the main thing. Na? When you shift cities,
Hmm.
you just want to be accepted in the new city. So I finally feel a little bit, of acceptance, and yeah, I'm enjoying my life right now.
Yeah, as you must.
Yeah.
So let's start from the days when you were in Delhi और वहाँ पे आप थिएटर करते थे and then you came to Bombay.
Yeah.
And the lesser known role of Rang De Basanti.
Yeah.
We'll start with that. How was that
Yeah, and
experience?
suddenly it's very popular. Suddenly everybody knows that I've done Rang De Basanti and that's my debut. बड़ा अच्छा भी लगता है कि कि तुम्हारी पहली फिल्म कौन सी थी. I'm like, Rang De Basanti. What a great start.
Yeah.
Yeah, Delhi was great. Yeah, I mean that's why I said accepted in Bombay because Delhi ने मुझे accept कर लिया था बहुत साल पहले. Schooling वहाँ से थी. Then I went to college, Delhi University, Karori Mall College. And I joined that college because of the theatre group. तब रंग दे बसंती में सिद्धार्थ, if you the
Of
actor,
course.
so
Yeah,
Siddharth,
yeah.
वो हमारे senior थे.
Wow.
So when we were watching him, so we also used to feel inspired कि यार, if one of our senior is doing that, then why not
Why
us?
not us?
And of course we have the OG senior, like the GOAT senior of all time is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah.
And he's from our college, he's from our theatre group. Late Satish Kaushik Sahab, Kulbhushan Kharbanda ji, and very
Great
recently,
actors,
great
fantastic
actors. And very recently, Mohammad Zishan Ayub and Divendu Sharma,
Yeah.
me, we are all actors, and then there are some directors like Ali Abbas Zafar, Habib Faisal, Victor, Himanshu Sharma, the writer.
Talented bunch.
So yeah, I mean, why I'm taking all these names because I think all these names are very important to the industry.
Correct.
And they have been working in the industry for quite some time now. They've been making big movies, writing songs. Raj Shekhar is a lyricist. So, I mean, I've been very lucky that I got an opportunity to, how do you put it, like develop or enhance my skills
Yeah.
as an actor or just as a theatre practitioner. And then, of course, I wanted to come to Bombay, like every other dreamy boy
City
in
of
India.
dreams.
Yeah, I mean, of course, you have to come to Bombay to like
Yeah.
fulfill your dreams. That's what they say. And I believe them. And I thought that, okay, now that I have lived a considerable amount of time in Delhi, I think it's time to move to Bombay. I did some odd jobs in Delhi too, like voiceover artist and did some voiceovers for NDTV, Gustakhi Maaf. There is to be a puppet show. तो उसमें काम किया मैंने. तो बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें करके then finally I came to Bombay.
And then how did Rang De Basanti happen?
No, Rang De Basanti happened in Delhi.
In Delhi.
Yeah, because Rang De Basanti
Was being shot in Delhi.
was
Yeah.
been shot in Delhi, and Tushar Pandey, one of my batchmate, who is also an actor, he did Chichore. I don't think you've watched that also, right?
No, I
Yeah,
haven't
see, I guess that. नहीं मैं अब तुम्हारे बारे में समझ गया हूँ मैं.
Yeah, I didn't watch Chichore.
By the end of podcast, I'll know your favorite dish also. without you
Achha,
telling
okay,
me.
very
So-
good. Yeah, I'm being interviewed basically. Long story short.
You should be, yeah. I mean, if I have to like just stray away from the fact that whatever you've created, Humans of Bombay, I think it's really, really cool. And you started with just a photo.
Yeah.
Just
yeah.
like one
Yeah,
camera.
just one camera,
Yeah, and
yeah.
now you have this amazing office studio. So great. So anyway, so coming back to Rang De Basanti, Tushar Pandey's elder brother Sunil Pandey, he was in Bombay and he was assisting Mr. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. So वो दिल्ली आते हैं और दिल्ली आके उन्होंने एक फ़ोन किया कि भाई बच्चे चाहिए, कॉलेज के बच्चे चाहिए, आ जाओ तुम लोग, राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा की फिल्म है और ऐसा है, हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, तुम लोगों से कुछ एक्टिंग करवाएंगे. We all were so excited to be in a film, and it's an Amir Khan film, it's a big film, and Soha Ali Khan aa rahi hain, shoot karna hai unke saath.
Your senior was also in the film, Siddharth.
Yeah, but that time I actually we didn't have any idea.
Oh, you didn't know?
तब नहीं पता था कि सिद्धार्थ हमारे कॉलेज से.
अच्छा, okay.
वो तो जब पिक्चर रिलीज हुई और तब पता भी नहीं था कि सिद्धार्थ है फिल्म में.
Oh, okay.
Because that's the first Hindi film, if I'm not wrong. Like, उससे पहले he had done Tamil films, but that was his first Hindi film. So, yeah, I mean, we didn't have any idea, but we knew that कुछ बड़ा होने वाला है, तो मजे करते हैं. So we just went for fun. And we did that scene. And there are many other actors who are still working in this industry right now. Chandan Roy Sanyal, Shibani Bedi, she's an influencer. Tushar, of course. Shubham, another friend of mine, who's a writer. So, yeah, so ये सब हम लोगों ने वहाँ जाके मस्ती की. 1500 रुपए मिले. And that time, I think, 20 years back, $1,500 was a lot. I have started talking like my dad. 1500 रुपए की.
Wow, Rang De Basanti was 20 years ago.
Yeah, it's a long time.
Really?
20 साल. हाँ, लगता नहीं है ना?
Yeah.
लगता नहीं है.
It feels like now almost. Okay, हाँ.
But है, काफी टाइम हो गया. तो उसके बाद I think बस यही था यार, कुछ ऐसा. ये बहुत लोग भी I've been seeing like कि 1 सेकंड के रोल से बड़ा रोल करना, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ऐसा it's not a struggle story or that, nothing like that. In fact, I never thought कि that scene will be remembered. I really didn't think about that because I thought that this is just like me going and doing something for fun and for memories.
Yeah.
But then I came to Bombay and then I realized कि यहाँ पे it's not so easy to be in a Rakesh and Prakash Mehra movie even for 30 seconds.
Yeah. It's tough.
It's very tough.
Yeah.
It's very tough. And that's when I realized कि कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि बॉम्बे में रहना है, इतने बड़े एक्सपेंसिव शहर में रहना है, तो फिर तो you have to like do something for the livelihood.
Yeah.
So then I started looking for odd jobs. और वो odd jobs में से मुझे एक जॉब आती थी, वो थी casting.
Correct.
Because मैंने देवडी की casting जब चल रही थी, गौतम कृष्ण चंदानी the casting director, the famous most senior casting director, he cast for Black Friday, Gulal, and many other films, Anurag sir. So he told me कि यार तू कर ले, तू अगर बॉम्बे कभी आएगा तो you please call me and I will give you a job of a casting associate or a casting assistant. I called him up. I said कि I'm in Bombay now and finally now can I work with you and all that. He said क्या यार, there's a film called Once Upon a Time Mumbai, तू उसके लिए आ जा. And have you seen that one?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Great.
Yes,
great.
I've
Finally,
seen it.
एक तो देखिए.
I've seen Black Friday also.
Oh wow, okay,
Yeah.
great. So theater में?
Yes. These तब तो मतलब
ठीक है. So तो बस वही गौतम सर के साथ काम करते करते बन गया, मैं थोड़ा कास्टिंग में काम करने लग गया.
And acting में, how was it? Was it very difficult in terms of auditions or how was that process? क्योंकि इतने सारे लोग आते हैं बॉम्बे में और वो जो बड़ा सपना होता है कि बॉलीवुड में एक्टर बनना है. So how difficult
हाँ
was that?
मतलब डिफिकल्ट तो था ही, क्योंकि एक्टर तो बहुत लोगों को बनना है और रोल्स उतने हैं नहीं, और अच्छे रोल्स ऊपर से, यू नो, कीप समथिंग विच गेट्स यू द अटेंशन. सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, इट्स नॉट सो ईजी, बट यू हैव टू बी रेजिलियंट
Yeah,
and you have to keep earning. That's very important.
it's important.
That's
Yeah.
very important. I always tell actors that don't be an unemployed actor. You know, you're an actor. Even if कल को अगर मैं काम नहीं भी कर रहा होता फिल्म्स में, तब भी मैं ये किसी को नहीं बोलता कि मैं एक्टर नहीं हूँ.
Correct.
मैं एक्टर हूँ.
Yeah.
It's just that I'm not getting paid for it yet. But I need to be paid for something.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, I can't just waste my youth in, you know, imagining a life which could be.
Yeah.
So I'm not somebody who can live in could be's. I have to make it happen for me.
Correct.
And that's what I did. So for me, casting became like that job.
Yeah. The bread and butter.
Yes, which was paying for everything. It was paying for my rent. It was paying for my first car. It was paying for my first international travel. It was actually keeping helping me keep a very good life. You know, and that's very important as an actor.
Yeah.
I think if I'm not living, then I will not know how to, you know, act or react
Correct.
to certain situations when I actually get the opportunity.
Correct.
So that's why I feel that I didn't want to lose that. And Anmol Ahuja, my partner, and me, and he was the one who said that, okay, let's do one thing. Let's start a company. And how do we form the company? And I'm like, okay, listen, I don't want to keep it like, you know, an Anmol Abhishek company or AA or A Square, because ये नाम का बड़ा problem है with casting. Because then what happens is then the names become bigger
Yeah.
than actually the job.
The process.
Yeah, the
Correct.
process
Yeah.
and everything. So there's a feudal mindset which starts, you know, playing in people's mind, and we wanted to like completely like, you know, use a diversion. We wanted to tell them that, okay, listen, forget about people, think about the job, think about the process. So we needed a brand name, and that's why from Bombay we had Casting Bay.
Casting Bay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and that was the whole idea of that company, and I'm very very happy that we could, you know, really help and support so many young fresh actors, and they are getting their jobs, you know. अभी अच्छा लगता है कि मतलब खुद के लिए भी काम किया, and कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारे और actors के लिए, बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए भी काम
Yeah,
किया.
enabling other people's dreams.
Yes,
Correct.
So that was very important.
So the casting is one part, right? But
Yeah.
you've played very iconic roles. Hathoda Tyagi, which
Yeah.
was Patal Lok, which I have watched.
Yeah.
It was on OTT. So I watched it. Mirzapur, one of my favorite shows. In fact, we had Devendu on the show.
Okay.
And he was like, when Compounder ka character died, that's when I really needed I needed help, you know, like in the sense that it was very difficult for me. And
I told you, na, he's from my college.
yeah, so
Same.
that's what he said. So he said that we are friends. We are actually
We're
jo
very, very
relationship
dear
tha,
friends, yeah.
we're very close.
Yeah.
So he said that, you know, that Munna's character was so complex, and he took a while to get out of that, right? And
Yeah.
it was an iconic role, and
Yeah.
the death scene was very very painful. So how was this process of playing such iconic roles, where, you know, this casting to chal rahi hai, but now you're getting that fame?
Yeah, things just took a very different turn when I started my company. Casting में शुरू करते ही मुझे बहुत सारे acting offers आने लगे, which was very surprising because I'm like, hey, मैंने अभी तो सोचा था कि मैं इसको करूँगा, but okay, fine, let me try this also,
Yeah.
because I was getting some interesting offers. Compounder for me was not an iconic part.
Really?
Compounder for me was just a general right hand. वो जो गुंडों के राइट हैंड होते हैं ना फिल्मों में हमने.
But it was played very well.
So that's the beauty of, you know, the newer generation of actors and creators. So the thing is that यही हम ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स को हम क्यों seriously नहीं लेते पहले, was because the right hands are always to like, you know, मारो a टपली,
Yeah.
है ना, कि क्या
was
कर रहा है
a-
बे,
It was
And,
not a
you know,
well-developed
Yeah,
character.
it's always like a shadow character.
Correct.
But here, the writers actually gave him like good 2-3 scenes, which were compounder scenes.
Yeah.
You know, वो मतलब वो जो पहली बार जब बोलता है कि जब खच की आवाज आती है मुन्ना भैया,
Yeah.
तब लगता है किसी को मारे हैं. So you know that kind of a dialogue, or you know, giving that weightage to a character which was not really a central character, that you have to give the credit to Karan Anshuman. You have to give the credit to Puneet bhai, Puneet Krishna, जो जिन्होंने जिन्होंने वो show लिखा है. So you know, they really created this world, and that is why somewhere we started enjoying it. I forgot about it. I shot for Mirzapur. I forgot about it because I was shooting for Stree. Stree was, of course, a film, so I was more excited about that. And of course, it's like one of the, how do you put it? Like, in current times, I feel it is getting that cult status.
Yeah.
You know,
I have to watch it.
You have to
Yeah,
watch.
yeah, I
You
have to
really
watch
have to watch. इन्होंने दोनों फिल्में नहीं देखी guys. Stree 1 और Stree 2. Please comment section में बताइए इन्होंने क्या क्या मिस किया है. Spoilers दिए बिना. But yeah, I mean it's one of those.
Clearly spoilers. I was like, oh, Shraddha is the ghost, and you were like,
वो देखो क्या पता.
क्या पता.
क्या
Yeah.
पता. वो स्त्री है वो कुछ भी बन सकती है. But yeah, I mean, when Mirzapur released, and Stree पहले आ गई मेरी 2018 की बात है. I think August में Stree आई थी. Yes, of course, August 31st, राजकुमार राव's birthday. And उसके 2 महीने बाद Mirzapur release होता है.
Season 1.
Season 1.
हाँ.
And it goes viral.
Yeah, of course.
And then Stree was going viral. So I suddenly was an actor.
Correct. Yeah.
You know, from nobody, from somebody who's a casting director, who is also like, I didn't like the limelight as a casting director. I always saved it for the actor. You know, so I was like कि मुझे नहीं दिखना है यार लोगों को, और मुझे कोई पहचान नहीं चाहिए as a casting, मेरी कंपनी को मिले. So we got that, and suddenly I got that attention as an actor, and I realized that probably now my career as an actor started. And then I don't know if you want to call it luck or destiny or whatever, like, you know, Patal Lok happened.
Yeah.
And Sudeep Sharma saw Stree and he offered me Patal Lok's character Hathoda Tyagi.
Yeah.
Which was quite extraordinary because Stree was like this,
It's a funny character.
buffoon.
Yeah.
You know, and this Vishal Tyagi or Hathoda Tyagi is
Very
a
intense
maniac.
character.
So yeah, I mean, you have to give it to the creators here always कि वो लोग वो सोच पाए.
Yeah.
They could imagine that.
How was your experience with fame? You know, when suddenly you've come out of the shadows, out of the casting room, and come and people are recognizing you, because Patal Lok also it was like wildfire,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So how are you dealing with the fame?
I love it, yeah.
Yeah.
I have never had any problems with dealing with fame.
Yeah.
I'm completely fine with clicking selfies. I'm completely fine with people, you know, coming up to me even while I'm eating. I don't have those issues. मुझे बचपन से ही I think I've always loved fame.
Correct.
I was famous in school. I used to do a lot of plays.
Yeah.
So I always wanted that attention for me. Then I went to college, of course, players, theatre. So not only in college, I think we had some kind of fame in the entire university, चाहे वो साउथ कैंपस चले जाएं या नॉर्थ कैंपस चले जाएं. फिर बॉम्बे आके when you become a casting director, you are a little famous.
Yeah.
Even though you're not famous in the public, but in
Yeah.
the अपने एरिया में आप famous होते हो.
Like in that circuit.
In that circuit.
Correct.
And I always enjoy that.
Yeah.
मुझे I think मुझे गुमनामी की जिंदगी मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं. That is something I can't do. Only when I'm, you know, traveling abroad, maybe I want to be not known because I just want to live my life
Yeah.
and not
And just chill.
and just chill. But otherwise, हाँ, मतलब I'm very okay with it.
Okay. And let's talk about some fun memories with Stree 2. How was it shooting? How was the whole process again? Your co-stars, Rajkumar, like you said, Shraddha Kapoor. Tell me about some of the memories that you had on set.
It's a lot of memories, yeah. I think every day we go and create some kind of memories. I think Amar Kaushik and Naren Bhatt, they're like the OG gangsters. You know, ये दोनों गुंडे हैं. और वो जितना भी शालीन और यू नो सॉफ्ट इंसान का रूप धारण करता है यहाँ पर, बट हैं वो गैंगस्टर्स. एंड व्हाई आई एम सेइंग दैट इज बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड दे हैव टुवर्ड्स फिल्म मेकिंग,
Yeah.
the kind of vision they have, you know, and the kind of risk-taking behavior they have. That is a rare, you know, quality in people have seen in Bombay. वो बड़ा क्या कहते हैं sorted है अपने thoughts में कि उन्हें क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए, and all of that without being very preachy and without being very serious about themselves.
Correct.
You know, I think that's the beauty of Stree or the crew of Stree, that I don't think any one of us feels very important on the set.
Wow.
You know,
Yeah.
I think everybody can just be themselves and bully each other, rag each other. I think that happens all the time. I think we're the first set of actors who can just say whatever we feel like to our co-actors. And that's a very good culture. I like that. I mean, ज़्यादा formality वाली बात नहीं है.
Correct.
अगर किसी ने कुछ अच्छा नहीं किया तो बोल देते हैं कि यार नहीं मज़ा आया यार. You know, change that tone or change the dialogue, or maybe that improvisation is not great. You know, if we don't like Niren Bhai, if he doesn't like our improvisation, he'll come and say that, you know, that doesn't work. Or Amar Kaushik will make fun of us if we act bad. And that's okay.
Yeah.
You know, nobody's taking it to ego. There's no stupid insecurity out there. And yeah, that's why I think the fun comes alive, because of that kind of camaraderie.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, that's about it. Yeah, that's what's Stree 2. Every day we start with a song.
Yeah.
हर दिन मतलब एक स्पेशल सॉन्ग के साथ शुरू होता है, विच इज़ बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू दैट पर्टिकुलर सीन विच एवर वी आर शूटिंग. सो उसके हिसाब से कोई भी 90s का गाना या सम कंटेम्प्रेरी सॉन्ग या फिर सम वेरी ओल्ड लाइक ब्लैक एंड वाइट सॉन्ग, इट डजंट रियली मैटर, एंड एवरीबडी इज dancing on that. The entire crew. Yeah. Everybody is allowed to come and have fun.
That's good. It sounds fun.
Yeah, it is a lot of fun.
Sounds
It is
like a lot of
it's like a picnic here. We are not shooting. I don't think we ever feel that हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हैं. हमें लगता था कि हम मज़े कर रहे हैं. That's the only thing. Of course, stress तो होता है, चीफ एडुक होता है हमें.
And in Veda, how was your experience with John Abraham? Very iconic John Abraham.
Experience as in, like, I think I had a great time यार. Again, ऐसा कुछ वहाँ मस्ती मजाक का टाइम नहीं होता था, बिकॉज बहुत सीरियस फिल्म भी थी. और everybody was like, you know, because we are making something so heavy, people were also in character. That's the difference between drama and probably a comedy set. In drama, actors are also trying to be in their zone. They're trying to, you know, align themselves with the characters. And there's a lot of action scene. John, I think he's a very kind human being. Townie, like you. So, you know, I mean, I think all you Townies are very nice and सही जगह पे है आप लोगों का सोल. ज़्यादा जल्दी भी नहीं है, because I don't think आप लोग कहीं जल्दी पहुंच भी पाते होंगे. तो I think there's a lot
Unless you're going in town, one place to another.
Exactly. So there's a lot of inherent patience, which I like, and kindness, and I mean, I think a fab co-actor. That's what I look towards. Like, you know, I'm always looking forward to somebody who can be a great co-actor. And John, I think, is a great co-actor. Sharvari is a very hardworking girl. And above all, of course, Nikhil Advani. I mean, the kind of guts and will you need to have to make a commercial film like Veda. I think, I mean, kudos to him.
Yeah.
Because nobody is talking about Dalits. Nobody is really talking about the real problem.
Yeah.
हम लोग हमेशा बहुत सारे comments पढ़ रहा था मैं about Veda. Many people have enjoyed it, but some of them were like, अरे ऐसा थोड़ी होता है अभी इंडिया में. And that shows the kind of unawareness which our country still is not reeling with. Because I think बहुत easy होता है कहना कि हमारे यहाँ पे नहीं होता है, but actually बॉम्बे दिल्ली से बाहर जाओगे and if you just live this travel in the country, you will realize that there's so much of discrimination which is still prevalent.
Of course.
That it is disturbing.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm very proud of Veda.
Yeah. In fact, even Devyendu said on the show, right, that jo, you know, we portray in Mirzapur, a lot of it is actually happening.
Lot of it क्या मतलब पूरा ही हो रहा है तभी तो मिर्जापुर बन रहा है.
Yeah, so it's like you know, and people sitting here think that अच्छा ये तो fiction है. नहीं है. This is real life for people. So it is scary.
हाँ, of course कट्टे वट्टे रखे जाते हैं. मतलब बहुत ऐसे शहर हैं जहाँ पे एग्जाम से पहले जो है कट्टा निकाल के टेबल पे रख दिया जाता है जी, ठीक है, कि टीचर जो है वो कॉपी करने के लिए हमें अलाउ करें. और ये चीज़ें जो हैं हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं. सो और ऐसा नहीं है कि वो बंद होने वाला है हमारे और आपके बात करने से. वो आई थिंक दैट द एंटायर जनरेशन हैज़ टू चेंज. There's a lot of education we need from the grassroots level.
Correct.
It can't happen in a year or two. It will take a generation.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, so I feel it's very important for at least filmmakers या people who are associated with media or associated with any kind of creative field to keep pinning the audience with that. You know, वो जो हम लोग कमेंट्स पिन करते हैं ना, तो आई थिंक ये कुछ थॉट्स हैं जो हमें पिन करने चाहिए ताकि हमारे दिमाग में हमेशा रहे कि हम इस सोसाइटी में जी रहे हैं. नो मैटर हाउ मच lucky we are, no matter how much privileged we feel we are, there's there's a majority of the country which is not privileged, and and only India can grow if we, the privileged ones, try to make them grow with us.
We have to grow together. Yeah.
वरना distance आएगा, वरना difference आएगा, and that's not good for any nation.
Yeah, it's a very relevant topic.
Yes, it
and
is.
Yeah. I hope that as the medium of film or even song or any form of art, right, conveys this to reach those many people. Yeah, it's the fastest way to reach those many people. Let's talk about casting.
Yeah, tell me.
बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं. Like we were saying, they come to Bombay, city of dream, मुझे actor बनना है. So, but a lot of people also find the process daunting. Especially when, you know, like they say, they don't know anybody in the industry. How do you kind of break through? So can you walk us through the process? How does it typically work?
No, I mean, you started with a camera.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you start?
With a camera.
And what did
walking
you do?
up to people and saying, can you tell me your story?
Yeah. And then you started creating stories about normal people.
Yeah.
And we started reading about them. है ना? And I have been an ardent reader of, you know, your articles and stories. So this is exactly what I tell actors कि अगर तुमने एक कैमरा से इतनी बड़ी कंपनी खोली, तो आप स्किल तो सीख के आए हो. So there has to be some way, you have to find a way to, you know, make your talent be more visible. And how do you do that? Is through casting directors, through casting companies. You go to their doors, you meet the assistants, you meet the associates, tell them that you're an actor. Tell them about the kind of experience you have had as an actor. You can tell them that you're a complete fresher. But that's the only way. You have to constantly keep going, keep meeting, keep polishing your skills, read a lot of book. Because an actor needs to be a thinking mind. It can't only be a performer's mind.
Correct.
And that's the basic problem with, I think, the mindset of being an actor. कि आप पढ़ना भूल जाते हो कहीं ना कहीं because you want to perform. So without really marinating the thoughts, you know, without really enjoying the process, we just want to jump to the conclusion of fame. So
elaborate. Thinking mind?
Thinking mind is something which you take from around you. Now you're doing these stories of Humans of Bombay, we're doing stories of normal general people. Even if I'm reading that, you get to know about the conflicts a normal person is going through.
Yeah.
अगर हम ये conflicts भूल ही जाएं कि हमारी society में क्या conflicts चल रहे हैं, क्या what is the kind of happiness a common man is looking for, or what is the kind of misery our common population is living in. If we don't understand this, if we don't understand our own society, then it will be very difficult for us to be honest towards our characters. And that is what I think will make an actor a good actor, an excellent actor, is when they can empathize with their characters and make those characters belong to the society.
So, agar we take your character, for example, right, in Patal Lok, how did you prepare? How were you thinking or making that character really sink? Because वो हुआ, right? People were fascinated with the character.
क्योंकि मेरे लिए वो चित्रकूट का ही था. मेरे लिए वो किसी कहानी का कैरेक्टर नहीं था. वो मेरे लिए चित्रकूट, जो कि एमपी में है, वहाँ का बंदा था और वहाँ का एक ऑप्रेस्ड क्लास से वो बिलोंग करता था. और ये अगेन क्लास वाली बात मैंने भी बोली, कास्ट वाली बात मैंने बोली. और थिंग इज दैट अगेन इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज करना बड़ा इजी है ना. Let's talk about poor India, this India, that India, casteism, religion.
At a conversation level.
This is a conversation. But do you really feel for them? Does your acting mind or does the mind of an actor Do you feel any kind of emotion for them? And you have to keep asking yourself that. Are you really with the victim because you're getting a nice story to read? Or you're really invested in the victim story which is written on the front page? कि फलाना गांव में 2 लोगों की हत्या कर दी गई है because they drank water from a well which they were not supposed to drink from. Now, are you reading that story just like हाँ फिर से हो गया है, या आपको जेन्युइनली वो स्टोरी परेशान करती है? और ये परेशान होना बहुत ज़रूरी है किसी भी एक्टर के लिए, क्योंकि अगर आप परेशान होंगे नहीं तो आप ऑडियंस को परेशान कर नहीं पाएंगे, बिकॉज देन यू विल फिर आप सतही लेवल पर आप कैरेक्टर को छुएंगे. इट विल ऑलवेज बी ऑन अ सरफेस. यू विल नेवर गो डीप. एंड फॉर मी दैट इज द process. I can't enjoy characters without going deep. And if I don't go deep, I know it. And then I'm not enjoying them, but it's okay. I'm doing my job. But that's why it's important for me to probably play characters which have some kind of socio-political relevance. And for me, it was very important to understand that Vishal Tyagi, who comes from a lower caste, has been a victim of the same society where I am living in. And his sister is raped by upper class people from his own family.
Yeah.
That gives birth to a criminal like Hathoda Tyagi.
Yeah.
Who now doesn't respect the society.
Correct.
Who now doesn't respect the human life. The very human life which is just taken out from him. He's just a... for me, in Hathoda Tyagi, I just... When everybody asked me that, what were you looking at? When you were just staring into nothingness. And I'm like, I was just staring at dead bodies. For me, the entire world is dead. There's nobody alive.
Yeah.
Because humanity is not alive.
Yeah.
And the only time uski aankhon mein chamak aati hai when he sees the dog.
Yeah.
Because kutte ke andar usko इंसानियत दिखती है.
Wow. Yeah.
वो ह्यूमैनिटी जो उसको सोसाइटी में नहीं दिखती है. दैट्स वाई द ग्लिंट इन द आईज, एंड दैट्स वाई द ऑडियंस लव द कैरेक्टर हु इज अ साइको murderer.
Yeah. You still empathize with them.
Yeah, because you see humanity. Your heart will always be filled with joy anywhere and everywhere you see humanity.
Yeah.
Right? Because जब भी आप किसी को देखोगे किसी की मदद करते हुए, आपको अच्छा लगता है, भले आपने नहीं किया. So I think that kind of a thing for me made that character, because I remember for me the first time I realized that I'm probably on the verge of cracking the character was when I started crying in the car thinking about that dog scene. And I was like, why is it affecting me so much? And why is it so important for, Vishal?
Yeah.
And how sad that somebody with such a soft heart or probably a kind soul has to go through this.
Is hardened. Yeah. Yeah. So that's important.
Yeah.
A lot has changed, right, in the industry over time. पहले ऐसा लगता था कि if you're a good looking guy, good looking girl, you will make it in Bollywood. And largely speaking, OTT, the development of these platforms has been a leveler. कि there are opportunities. Talent के लिए opportunity है.
Yeah.
How does it work when it comes to casting? Are there still briefs that say we want a good looking, this kind of person for the central role, or that has also moved over the past, say, 10 years, 5 years?
I don't know. I don't think what's happened is that, of course, people have started taking notice of good acting. Okay. Audience has started taking notice.
Yeah.
But I think sometimes we go for the clickbaits. ऐसा नहीं कि हम लोग नहीं करते, और मतलब हम लोग ऐसे not casting, but people who are making shows, people who are producing them, or people who are airing them. There are definitely still some kind of notion about clickbaits, and somewhere down the line, as casting company or as a casting director, हमारा काम बस ये होता है कि to cast actors who fit the character of the show. But things have become much better from how it used to be.
Yeah.
Now you know that, okay, in a particular show, you need to cast only good actors. You can't just have good faces, because the problem with OTT is also that in a film, it's only a 2-hour film, 2-hour long film. तो आप बहुत सारी गलतियां छुपा सकते हो, पर 9 घंटे की, मतलब अगर 9 एपिसोड्स हैं या 8 एपिसोड्स हैं, 8 घंटे की फिल्म में ना गलतियां छुपाना बड़ा मुश्किल है.
Yeah.
It's very difficult.
The surface area is too large.
Yeah, it's too large. Yeah. So that's why it's very important to have performers, or like, strong writing, strong direction. All departments have to really work harder probably in an OTT space, because only then you will get the kind of product which we have been probably producing for the past few years. But है, clickbaits अभी भी थोड़े हैं, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं, वो भी बोला जाता है, but we keep finding our way, or probably do something about it.
Yeah. So you've casted for, say, Darlings, Secret Superstars, all massive films and entities. So how is it that you decide? Is it like a gut feeling?
Gut feeling. It's a gut feeling.
Okay, that this character is probably going to fit. Okay.
It's a gut feeling. It's always like, because tabhi it's important for the story to run in your head.
And then you have to see that person playing that role.
Yeah. When I used to actively cast, I used to never give options. मुझे कोई बोलता था ऑप्शन देने के लिए, मतलब मेरे पास नहीं है ऑप्शन, मैं कैसे लाऊं, क्योंकि वो तो मेरे दिमाग में है, वो चेहरा, वो कैरेक्टर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो लेट मी लिव विद इट ना फॉर सम टाइम, एंड आई विल स्टार्ट फाइंडिंग ऑप्शंस मेरे सामने प्रकट होने लगेंगे, बिकॉज आई एम स्टेइंग विद द स्टोरी इन दैट वर्ल्ड. Suddenly I meet you, or I'll meet somebody, and I'll see something which I was looking at in the character, and I'm like, इसको ले लेते हैं, इसको ऑडिशन करते हैं. तो वो चीज़ धीरे धीरे डेवलप होती है, आई फील, एज अ कास्टिंग.
गिव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ समबडी you've casted like that.
यार अभी बहुत साल पहले की बात है, सो आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनी कास्टिंग स्टोरीज ऑफ माइंड, बिकॉज 5-6 साल हो गए हैं जब मैंने आखिरी बार ऐसा कुछ किया था. बट सीक्रेट सुपरस्टार में दैट बॉय हु वाज ज़ारा ने जो किया था, उसमें एक चिंतन बोल के एक लड़का था ना.
हाँ, the boy who was there for her.
Yeah, the boy who was there for her. I remember we were looking for many kids. बहुत सारे बच्चों को ढूंढ रहे थे all over India. Everywhere we were trying to find that one kid. And वो नहीं मिल रहा था हमें. And director was also getting little hopeless with us. And Advait was like, तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा. I'm like, नहीं यार, रुको कुछ करते हैं. And finally we went to गुजरात, और मुझे याद है बड़ौदा में मैं ऑडिशन कर रहा था, और करते suddenly I meet this boy. And I was like, this is it. Like I
found him.
I found him. I called Advait immediately and I said कि मिल गए. And he's like, क्या बात कर रहा है, लेकिन ऑडिशन तो देखा नहीं. I'm like, I know I'll show you the audition, but I know we have got the boy.
Yeah.
And that's how he got. जब बाद में जाके हमने 3 ऑडिशन शॉर्टलिस्ट किया and all that. But finally it was him who did it.
It was him, the same guy.
Yeah.
Okay. How do influencers play a role now in casting decisions? No, in casting decisions. Because now you see that the worlds are also getting blurred. Na? People who are started typically, say, on YouTube or even on Instagram, and who have just personalities are now in films. Like the biggest example is Bhuvan Bam, for example. Just came out with his show. How are film directors or production houses factoring in influencers in the mix?
I think film का grammar बहुत simple है, and that the director is always going to look for an actor. ठीक है? And no matter whether the actor is an influencer, whether the actor is a singer, or whether the actor is a casting director, it really doesn't matter to the director.
Okay.
उनको अपना character देखना है उस लड़के में या उस लड़की में. And that's not going to change.
Really?
Yeah,
लोग ऐसे कहते हैं ना कि just by sheer following, right? क्योंकि lots of YouTubers have a lot of following, which is very loyal.
Yeah.
लोग picture देखने जाएंगे.
Why don't you see them in movies then?
There are a few, right? Now.
Tell me.
Bhuvan Bam.
It's a show.
It's a show, correct. Prajakta Kohli.
Yeah, she did a character in a film.
She did a character in a film, correct. Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying that she fit the character.
Right.
I'm sure Raj Mehta, who directed that film, I'm sure he saw something in her.
Yeah.
कि हाँ ये वो बहन लगेगी जो मुझे दिखानी है, इसलिए कास्ट हुई.
Correct.
So it's never. That's what I'm saying, that it's not going to be easy. नहीं होने वाला है किसी के लिए भी.
Yeah.
चाहे आपके 10 million फॉलोअर्स या 20 million फॉलोअर्स हो इंस्टाग्राम पे, या आपके 20 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स हो यूट्यूब पे, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू मेक दैट, इट
It's
विल
not going
नॉट
to
बी
make you a
इजी
good actor.
एट ऑल.
Yeah,
इट कांट.
it can't.
इट्स द सेम वे, कल को एक एक्टर कितना ही पॉपुलर हो, अगर वो पॉडकास्ट लेना शुरू कर दे, या अगर वो रील्स बनाना शुरू कर दे, या यूट्यूब पे ब्लॉग करना शुरू कर दे, देयर इज नो गारंटी दैट दैट एक्टर विल बी सक्सेसफुल इन दैट मीडियम. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट देयर आर डिफरेंट मीडियम्स.
Yeah.
The problem is we take everything and anything in front of camera as acting. कि तुम कैमरा के सामने होस्ट करते हो तो तुम एक्टर बन सकते हो. तुम कैमरा के सामने 2 मिनट का रील बना सकते हो तो तुम एक्टिंग कर सकते हो. It's not that, it's not that black and white, you know.
Yeah.
And that's the thing which and many people will be like, अरे मुझे बहुत लोगों ने बोला कि तू क्यों demotivate. It's not about demotivating. It's like I want, as a casting director and as an actor, I want an industry where there are more trained actors.
Talk to me about trained. What do you mean by trained?
Trained means at least have 1 year of theater experience, stage experience.
Yeah.
At least 1 year of some kind of, you know, workshops, working on your voice, working on your mind. As I said, mind is very important. Working on breathing techniques, working on your body. Because all of this is important to be an actor.
Correct.
Right? वो उसके बिना आप कैसे, मतलब how will you enjoy the performance if somebody is not trained enough? Until and unless you are Shah Rukh Khan, you know, who also
Was in theater. Yeah.
You know, मैं अभी के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, that kind of persona to have, how many of us?
It's once in like a lifetime.
A lifetime,
Yeah.
right? And that man also had to do theater and then come.
Yeah.
वो खुद ही बोलते हैं यार. वो खुद ही बोलते हैं कि मैंने कितना थिएटर किया है and all that. So I mean, I don't know why that culture is suddenly like, you know, going कि मतलब हम कर लेंगे because हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So yes, influencers can be actors, but given they also train in the craft.
Yeah.
And flat dialogue delivery या फ्लैट तरीके से बोल देना एक्टिंग को, मतलब जैसे कहते हैं, मुझे लगता है बोर कर देता है जब आप बस यू नो कि फ्लैटली बोल दिया. और रियलिस्टिक एक्टिंग के नाम पे दिस ऑल्सो हैपेंस ना, दैट यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग वेरी कैजुअली. हाँ तू कर रहा है, हाँ तो तू क्या बोल रहा है, हाँ तो तू क्या. सो नाउ दिस इज अ कैजुअल थ्रू, बट इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी बोरिंग.
Correct. Yeah.
You know, I'm not really engaged until and unless the writing material is very good.
Yeah.
I will not be engaged in
Yeah.
that kind of delivery. So that is why it's important to understand that this is a craft game.
Yeah. And you have to
This-
respect it.
And you have to respect it.
Correct. Yeah.
And as times are changing, you're seeing the audience also is looking for that craft.
100%.
They are not giving any free marks or benefit of doubt to anybody.
Yeah.
वो किसी को भी नहीं दे रहे इस वक्त. उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम कहाँ से हो, कौन हो, पहले क्या किया है. कोविड के बाद तो ये भी हो गया कि जो पहले किया था सब नल एंड वॉइड हो गया. So now
Everything got
yeah,
disrupted,
because
yeah.
I think as an audience, our country has grown. Yeah.
Yeah. 100%. You respect good talent. You
Yeah.
respect good actors.
Yeah.
In that sense. Correct.
So I think because they've seen a lot of content across the globe, and they have things to compare now. Also, they all have become very good technicians themselves, editing reels,
Yeah.
being performers in front of them. So they're also facing camera. So they want something which they can't do.
Yeah.
Only then I think they will like.
Then you'll appreciate
Yeah,
it.
appreciate.
ये तो मैं नहीं कर
हाँ,
सकती.
ये मैं तू नहीं कर सकती. No, तब जाके बात बनी ना यार.
Let's talk about nepotism.
Yeah.
Huge debate. Constant ये conversation आता है जाता है. Never fully done with that conversation, right? कि big budget films only for star kids, and that's been the trend. Lots of conversation. What are your thoughts?
है नेपोटिज्म तो होगा ना, मतलब आई थिंक वो तो हमारे इंडस्ट्री से पहले ही बोला है मैंने, हर इंडस्ट्री में. ठीक है. So that I mean sometimes I keep reading these comments are like, अरे मेरे बारे में बोलता है तो खुद का nepotism करता है because I'm like a casting. Now there's a confusion between nepotism and familiarity or you know doing it on your own. I mean I feel any business, it's a business after all, है ना. तो बिजनेस में आप यही करते हो ना, आप अपने बच्चों को ही देते हो, है ना. आप किसी दूसरे इंसान को बिठा के तो बोलते नहीं हो कि भैया आके तुम मेरा बिजनेस संभाल लो, है ना. ये हर जगह होता है. बहुत बार जॉब में भी होता है लाइक डॉक्टर के बेटे या बेटियां जो हैं वो डॉक्टर बन जाते हैं
और उनकी प्रैक्टिस आगे ले जाते हैं,
है ना, लॉयर्स के बन जाते हैं, आर्मी में बहुत होता है, ये हर जगह है. इट इज़ ओनली नेचुरल और ऑर्गेनिक आई फील कि हो गए दैट यू वांट टू बी लाइक योर फादर और यू वांट टू डू व्हाट योर फादर हैज डन और यू वांट टू टेक केयर ऑफ व्हाट योर फादर हैज लेफ्ट फॉर यू और whoever like your family has left for you. The point is that problem ये होती है कि now we confuse nepotism with like a blockade. The outsiders को लगता है कि blockade बना हुआ है क्या, and I'm like there's no blockade. Nobody's stopping you. Nobody's trying to block your way. You have to find your way. Only thing is, only problem is unfortunately that's going to take a longer time.
करेक्ट, यू डोंट हैव अ शॉर्टकट.
तो शॉर्टकट नहीं है हमारे पास ये नहीं है कि यार हम गए किसी डायरेक्टर को फ़ोन किया, बोला सर देखो कुछ काम करने दो यार, समथिंग ये हो जाएगा तो मज़ा आ जाएगा. या अगर हमारी कोई एक फिल्म चल गई तो ऐसा नहीं कि हमारे पास 10 फिल्मों का क्या कहते हैं साथ साथ देयर विल बी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फ्रॉम लेफ्ट राइट एंड सेंटर. So that, of course, they're lucky, they have more opportunity, but that's also because their parents or whoever in their family have worked harder.
Somebody has worked hard at some point.
Hard,
yeah.
So उन्होंने किया. So that's why that's the only thing. But anybody from outside, we will need time, but we can enter here. And people are, I feel they're all open to, anybody who's talented. And anybody who's willing to put in the hard work. थोड़ा time ज़्यादा लगेगा. इसलिए शायद हम ज़्यादातर ये बातें सुनते हैं कि यार इरफान खान को 20 साल लग गए या 30 साल लग गए, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी जैसे एक्टर को आने में तो ये जो 20 साल 30 साल ये जो बात होती है वो बेसिकली क्लास डिवीजन की बात कि एक क्लास से दूसरे क्लास में आने के लिए टाइम लगता है, कुछ कर नहीं सकते उसका.
करेक्ट. So you think that brand of actor, right? Say like a Manoj Vajpayee, for example, Pankaj Tripathi.
Yeah.
They've reduced the barrier to entry. Rajkumar.
Yeah.
All of these are ये जो सब है, there's no nepotism, right?
Time and again ये होता हुआ है. शाहरुख खान is the biggest example of an outsider.
Correct. Yeah.
और उनसे बड़ा insider है नहीं कोई. तो मतलब if you have to see that and not the other examples.
Correct.
And also I'll tell you one more thing. हम चाहे लाख बुराई कर लें, but एक फ़ायदा होता है being from the film industry. Or being from the film family, you learn a lot about filmmaking way younger.
Yeah.
And how to behave on set also. हमें तो यार बहुत बार ये होता है कि सीखना पड़ता है to come on set and realize कि अरे यार यहाँ पे ऐसे डील करना है, उनसे ऐसे बात करना है, these kind of things. Mannerisms.
Yeah. Yeah.
हमें सीखना पड़ता है, वो सीख कर आते हैं.
करेक्ट, ऑब्वियसली.
हाँ, नेपोटिज्म का ये एक फायदा ये होता है कि आपने चाहे 10 फिल्में की हो या एक फिल्म की हो, आपकी हमेशा वैनिटी वैन बड़ी अच्छी आएगी. तो ठीक है. और आउटसाइडर्स को थोड़ा अपना फाइट करना पड़ता है वैनिटी वैन्स के लिए, जहाँ पे ये बोल देते हैं कि अरे ये क्यों मांग रहा है या वो क्यों मांग रही है, ये सब भी प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाता है, विच आई फील इज कम्प्लीटली अनफेयर. इफ समबडी हैज that's one thing which as an industry probably we should learn, and we should always show that respect towards people and towards actors and towards performers who have made their way. And now they deserve it. Now they are worth it.
Yeah.
So sometimes
don't make them fight for it.
Yeah, don't make them fight for it. ये problem है. When you make them fight for it and not people who have probably zero experience or probably no popularity, and I've seen that. तो फिर उनको वो popular category में क्यों डाला जा रहा है जबकि कोई दूसरा उनसे ज़्यादा popular है?
Yeah, that's a fair question.
Yeah.
A reel of yours is going very, very viral on the internet where you have said कि धर्मा के दरवाजे अब हमारे लिए बंद हो चुके हैं. What is that? Please let's talk about it.
मैं तो धर्मा का मुंह से नाम ही नहीं लूँगा. मैं ना करण जौहर सर का नाम लूँगा, मैं ना नहीं कुछ नहीं है. I don't know. It just blew out of proportion.
Yeah.
And it has nothing to do with any kind of, again I read something, outsider को निकाल दिया, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यार. It was just like me and Anmol were kids. And we were casting for a big film like Agnipath, Hrithik Roshan. I still remember the first meeting I had with Karan Malhotra, जो डायरेक्टर थे. पहले क्लियर कर देता हूँ, मल्होत्रा, okay, not जोहर. So I mean उनके साथ वो मीटिंग हुई और उन्होंने बोला कि वो अग्निपथ बना रहे हैं, and I was very excited because Agnipath happens to be my favorite film.
Yeah.
Ashru, Shwed, Khoon, Salatpath, Agnipath. So that's it's one of the iconic Mr. Bachchan role. और हमने शुरू किया एंड बाय देन वी वर ओनली यूज टू, एज आई सेड, अनुराग सर की फिल्में, देवडी, ब्लैक फ्राइडे, ये सब. तो देवडी की थोड़ी बहुत कास्टिंग में हेल्प की थी. वंस अपॉन अ टाइम मुंबई का थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया था. And so we just started casting in our own whatever imagination. Didn't work out. And we realized that in big proper commercial films, you also need to think about presence.
Yeah.
And presence which probably helps the stars. You know, if there is a big star, you need to have somebody in the same canvas.
Correct.
And वो canvas match करने के लिए कभी-कभार casting करनी पड़ती. That's also a very important thing. No, we did not know. We were like completely indie background guys. So we failed terribly. And that is why we were like, you know, asked to step out. It was not one of those कि धक्के मार के निकाल दिया और ये सब जो सुनता रहता हूँ. बट ठीक है, आई थिंक मज़ा आता है लोगों को वो सब पढ़ने में. तो
सेंसेशनलाइज
हाँ,
कर
तो
देते हैं
मैं भी मज़े से ही पढ़ता हूँ. आई एम श्योर करण सर को भी कोई फ़र्क पड़ता नहीं होगा कि अरे ठीक है एक और आ गया. बट इट्स ओके. बट द पॉइंट आई वांटेड टू मेक देयर एंड आई विल मेक अगेन हियर इज दैट व्हेन दैट हैपेंड वी थॉट दैट नाउ वी आर डूम्ड. Young 22, 23-year-old professionals, we thought that our career is not going to take off now because we have been fired from a big company. But it did not happen. I mean, we kept working and we kept telling ourselves that नहीं, हम commercial film में करेंगे. हम सिर्फ इंडी वाले लोग नहीं हैं. हम सिर्फ मतलब हमेशा आर्टिस्ट को ये मतलब या आर्ट के फॉलोअर्स को ज़्यादातर ये बोला था तुम तो वही वाली फिल्में करोगे. आराम नगर को बहुत ये बोलता ना कि आराम नगर वाली जनता. यार ये सब क्या है, मतलब किस तरह की बातें हो रही हैं, कहाँ रह रहे हैं हम लोग, है ना. कि मतलब आप बैंड्रा में हो तो आपको ज़्यादा क्या बोलते हैं समझ है, या आराम नगर वालों को कम समझ है, जूहू वालों को पता नहीं क्या समझ है. सो ये देखो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कैसे छोटे से एरिया में बढ़ जाता है.
और बहुत रैंडमली
कोई इसका पॉइंट नहीं है. जैसे टाउनीज मजाक उड़ाते हैं सबब वालों का. आई हैड टू से दैट. बट दैट आई मीन ये चीज़ जो है आई थिंक जिसे कहते हैं ना एरिया वाइज डिविजन बॉम्बे में बहुत ज़्यादा है कि आप यहाँ के हो तो आपका ये. एंड मी एंड अनमोल हम तो दिल्ली से थे तो हमें लगा कि ये क्या बात हुई, हम लोग वहाँ के भी करेंगे. एंड देन वी वेंट टू एक्सेल जो कि खार में था, बैंड्रा में उसका ऑफिस था. हमने खार में जाके हमने अच्छी बड़ी फिल्मों की वो की. फिर हमने जूहू में बंसाली के ऑफिस में भी किया, ठीक है. फिर हमने जाके धर्मा की भी बहुत सारी फिल्में एंड शोज़ की हमने कास्टिंग की. सो वी वॉन्टेड टू कवर ऑल ऑफ दैट. और हमने कभी इस चीज़ को ये नहीं सोचा कि रोड ब्लॉक है या ब्लॉकेड है या ये है कि नहीं अब नहीं घुसने दिया जाएगा.
बस
नहीं,
काम करना है,
काम करो यार. दैट्स अ बेसिक I think formula to everything. That work hard and work hard with honesty. Don't be dishonest with your work.
Yeah.
Whatever work you're doing.
Correct.
And I think these two things with some kind of passion, some kind of resilience and some kind of थोड़ा सा उसमें वो भी डाल दो आप क्या कहते हैं perseverance. तो I think आपका काम निकल जाएगा.
कुछ तो होगा, कुछ तो अच्छा होगा.
कुछ तो होगा. और खुशी से काम करो. It's very important to work because it will not make you bitter. अगर उस अग्निपथ एक्सपीरियंस के बाद हम लोग अगर मान लो अगर हम काम नहीं करते, हम बोलते हैं कि ये लोग हमारी कला को नहीं समझते हैं और हम इसी तरह की फिल्में करेंगे, देन वी वुड हैव बीन कंप्लीटली बिटर एंड प्रॉब्ली आई वुड बी इन सम अदर शो टॉकिंग वेरी बैड थिंग्स अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑल दैट. बट वो बिटर एक्सपीरियंस कभी हुआ ही नहीं क्योंकि हमने तो हमेशा काम किया.
करेक्ट.
और जब काम करके हमें अप्रिसिएशन मिला, लोगों ने हमें और सारा काम दिया, पैसा भी दिया, इज्जत भी दी, then we realized that it's not that bad, everybody just wants you to just do good work.
So this viral reel was random.
Of course, it just became viral for no reason. and what can I say?
ठीक है.
हाँ, मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मुझे पब्लिसिटी मिल गई फ्री की.
Good timing also.
Yeah, exactly.
So it's fine. It's all good.
Exactly.
It's
I
all
kept
good.
telling my PR कि मेरा कुछ वायरल क्यों नहीं हो रहा और फाइनली वो वायरल हो गया. तो अच्छा है यार, मैं क्या बोलूँ.
Okay. We have a section अभी जो Ask the Expert होता है. Ask the Expert. तो from acting lens भी है और थोड़ा casting के lens से भी है. Okay. What's one unconventional tip or hack that actors can use to grab the casting director's attention?
The number of years you've put in theatre or the acting school you've passed out from.
For struggling actors or actors struggling with nerves during auditions, what do you have to say?
Breathe. Just breathe and don't take it so seriously. Just go and perform. Think of it like any stage or any platform where you would like to, entertain audience. Audition room is just like that. It's just a performance space.
The biggest mistake actors make when it comes to self-taped auditions?
Oh, they hold it vertical.
रील फॉर्मेट आप
Yeah,
सब
yeah,
चलता
रील
है।
फॉर्मेट में नहीं करना चाहिए, वो हमेशा एक हॉरिजॉन्टल फॉर्मेट होना चाहिए एंड ट्राई टू हैव गुड साउंड एंड लाइट, दैट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स.
Okay. Preparation or spontaneity? What is better in audition?
Spontaneity.
अच्छा. Not to come prepared.
I
Line
mean,
by
come
line.
prepared. Of course, read your lines and all that, but ज़्यादा सोचो मत. मतलब भी कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, बैक स्टोरी बना के आ जाते हैं कि मतलब दादाजी करते थे, पिताजी, and that's a lot of work for an audition. I think just read your lines, memorize your lines, and then go and meet the casting associate, director, assistant, whoever, and take their instructions and perform. I think that's how you can perform better.
What's one myth about casting that you wish aspiring actors would stop believing?
That you need to really impress casting directors personally to get the job.
Like you can do something on a personal level.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
पर्सनल लेवल पे कोई भी चीज़ उनको अगर आप जैसा वो ना इम्प्रेस कर दिया मैंने कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को पर्सनली, पर्सनल लेवल पे, यू नो, तो दैट
Acting से नहीं.
एक्टिंग से नहीं,
Yeah.
तो आपको काम मिल जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. वो आपको काम मतलब एक्टिंग से ही मिलेगा, चाहे आप कितना भी उनके लिए पर्सनल फेवर्स कर दो, उनको कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स दे दो, उनके लिए गिफ्ट्स भिजवा दो, कुछ भी कर दो, वो नहीं देंगे काम आपको जब तक कि आपका ऑडिशन डायरेक्टर सेलेक्ट नहीं करता. सो आपका जो पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप है विद द कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर विल नॉट मैटर आफ्टर अ पॉइंट.
Do you think the casting couch, which is the very famous lingo, still exists in the industry?
Of course it exists, and because I think casting couch is what? It's manipulation of power, है ना? So manipulation of power तो हर इंडस्ट्री में है. हमने बस glorify किया हुआ है because we come from a show business, so that's why it's glorified.
There's a lot of fame. There's a lot of
fame. So
eyeballs,
that's why it's always we are, and I hate that because when we started casting, मुझे याद है ट्रेन में मैं जा रहा था और मुझे कुछ लोगों ने पूछा कि क्या करते हो, मैंने बोला मैं कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ, हंसने लगा, हाँ कास्टिंग काउच. It really I was like यार मैं कोई काम करता हूँ, and they just made my fun and they just made my job dirty. It felt very bad.
Yeah.
And what can we do to make it better? We can just create a company where you don't feel any kind of safety issue, and you are welcomed, and nobody calls you after a certain period of time at night. And if they do call you, they'll get fired. And you know, very very strict चीजें करनी पड़ी कास्टिंग को क्लीन
SOPs,
रखने के लिए.
guidelines, right?
बिल्कुल, because otherwise कैसे, it's very difficult ना, because there's so much of gender interaction and there's so much of desperation in the
To make
city.
it,
There's
yeah.
so much of desperation and there's so much of probably unawareness from both parties. दोनों पार्टीज जो पावर में है उनको भी लगता है कि वो ज़्यादा पावरफुल है, जबकि नहीं है. You know, because if you are hiding in the dark and doing something, you're not powerful.
Yeah.
As simple as that. So the predators who feel that they're powerful, they're not, because you have to hide it and do it. And
It's actually cowardly.
and power is only in the light. You know,
Not in the shadows.
Exactly.
Yeah.
When you जब आप चौड़े होते हो तो आप सबके सामने चौड़े होते हो ना, अकेले में चौड़े होके किसने देखा आपको? So you know, I don't understand that concept of power anyway. So all the actors who deal with it, to them I would say that why do you want to deal with somebody who's a coward? And why do you want to work with somebody who's a coward?
Yeah.
Why do you want to lose dignity or have, I feel actors should care more about dignity and safety than job. काम यार आता जाता रहता है.
As everybody should.
Everybody should. Actors
Every
in,
industry,
actor in,
yeah.
seriously. हाँ, मैंने वही बात ही वही की ना कि, और ये हर जगह है. ये मैं कॉर्पोरेट में, मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं. I hear stories in corporates also. I mean, everywhere something or the other is happening in some official party or something. Somebody is trying to take classes, yoga classes. वहाँ पे कोई will take the number and start, you know, abusing the number. Some dance classes. Everywhere it's happening. It's a problem.
Yeah.
And I don't know why this happens, especially when you have power. The men, I feel that they feel what, I don't know, पता नहीं क्या लगता होगा उनको यार कि वो ये कर सकते हैं, nobody can call them out or something like that.
You probably, it's the feeling that you'll get away. I guess that's what it is, right? कि ये तो it'll be fine, which it's absolutely not.
Of course
and,
not. And
thank God for more and more people who come forward, both men and women, when they face this, because that's the only way, right? That people know that you won't just get away with it.
I have a very, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे पास एक चीट कोड है, पता नहीं वो चीट कोड कितना काम करेगा, बट मेरा चीट कोड ये कहता है कि कोई भी अगर आपको कॉफी के लिए मीटिंग के लिए बुलाए काम पे या डिनर मीटिंग के लिए बुलाए काम पे, आप मत जाओ. You know, I feel the work meetings should always happen in office.
Yeah.
And they should happen in office hours.
In a dignified workspace.
That's it.
Yeah.
If every individual takes that responsibility, I think we are definitely heading towards a safer society. उसके बाद क्या होगा क्या नहीं होगा उसके बाद देखेंगे, but I think if that much we can figure out ना, उतना भी हमने कर लिया ना, तो I think we'll be a safer space.
Yeah, I agree. Last question. You seem very fluid in your approach, na? कि you came, opportunities came your way, you took them, things didn't work out, वो भी ठीक है. Kind of maneuvering as it comes.
Yeah.
जो a lot of people struggle with actually, because लोगों के ढेर सारे plans होते हैं कि ये करना है, फिर ये करना है, फिर वो करना है, and life doesn't go according to plan. That's the single most important truth of life. So what advice would you give people who are just wondering ki what next? What's the next step?
I mean, when you don't have anything to do, I think you should work on yourself. That's the best advice I can give to anybody. Because if अगर कुछ नहीं है काम करने को, जो पहले तो अगर कुछ करने को है तो great.
Yeah.
Then you know what to do. But the problem is when you don't have anything to do. And that's I think the moment where you need to start thinking ki, okay, what do I need to do to make myself a better person than what I was last year?
Right.
Do I need to intellectually enhance myself?
Yeah.
Do I need to make a better body? Do I need to start, taking skincare? Anything, because I feel that everything will add to the happiness, the overall happiness.
Correct.
Suddenly when you go and see your skin glowing na, after it has not glown for many years, you will feel happy. जब आपका मतलब थोड़ा body fitness जो है better होगा ना, तो you will feel happy. And I feel when the body and the mind and everything is aligned na, it will always show you a path.
Yeah.
Or it will always present you with some opportunities, and then you can focus on that. But the real, I feel, trick is that once you have made it, you have to work harder than those times when you were not making it.
To sustain it.
Because that is when many people lose the discipline or lose the passion.
Yeah.
कि अब तो हो गया है, ठीक है, अब तो क्या. But I think वहीं से ज़्यादा काम करना, वहीं से ज़्यादा sacrifices करने शुरू करने पड़ेंगे. And please keep traveling. Don't be a workaholic. There's no pride in being a workaholic.
Yeah.
कितने भी काम में मज़े आते हो, कुछ भी करते हो, प्लीज़ छुट्टियाँ लो यार. And travel the world. Meet normal people. Meet people who you might not, meet
different
otherwise.
people.
Yeah.
Like you learn so much from different cultures.
Yeah. इंडिया में घूम लो, कहीं और नहीं जाना तो इंडिया में घूम लो. इंडिया में बहुत जगह है घूमने के लिए.
Yeah.
बहुत जगह है. फिर पूरी एक लाइफ टाइम लग जाएगी हिमाचल प्रदेश के सारे गांव में घूमने. So if we have so much, then why not? And that's why I keep hearing this कि यार काम बहुत कर लिया, मैं 3 साल से छुट्टी नहीं ली है. Very wrong. It will affect you. अभी नहीं तो कभी ना कभी तो affect करने वाला है.
होगा, कभी ना कभी होगा. Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay, great advice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And huge congratulations on everything again.
Thank you
I will
so
watch
much.
Stree
Yes, you have to.
this weekend. Thank you.
Thank you, Karishma.
Thank you for being the best community, and we'll see you in the next one.